right, y'all. We back here at the New Balance clearance outlet in Kissimmee off of 192. About to step inside. So here they got 50% off all clearance items. So you know, yellow sticker sale. We're about to see what they got going on today. All right, you know, as usual, we're about to start off by the apparel section. Grabbed this tee last time we was here. Oh, it was actually 40% off when I grabbed this t-shirt. Now it's 50% off. We got it in red also. And then, oh, this blue one. I think this blue one was here last time too. I'm not too sure. But the shorts, these weren't here last time. I got a green pair. I might have to grab these. 50% off. Let's see, so it's gonna be 20 bucks. So it's 50% off. Oh, select styles. So it doesn't have a yellow sticker. I'm gonna have to ask about these. All right, we're gonna keep looking around. Seen this before, regular tee. Sweats is cool, but that's why I need a pair of sweatpants actually. Might get a pair of sweatpants. It's gray, $49.99, no yellow sticker. That's a regular tee. This Crewneck is dope. This Crewneck over here is good. It's a nice Crewneck. I like a smaller logo. I like the embroidered logo a little better than this print. And we're gonna keep looking around, see what. All right, there's a pullover hoodie over here with the embroidered logo I was just talking about. I'd rather this logo instead of the print. I don't really want a pullover though. I like a crew neck instead, but like I say, everything 50% off. Okay, this is the embroidered crew neck. I found it. It's over here. It's $64.99, 50% off. I keep saying that. I need to ask somebody before I'm mistaken. And then we got but then the sweats aren't embroidered. The sweats are the printed logo on it also, which I didn't want, but I might just have to grab the top instead and not go with the sweatpants. All right, they just had it split up. These are the sweats with the embroidered logo over here. It was just over on another rack, and these are $64.99 also. Pretty light, got a back pocket. Okay, pockets are kind of deep on these two. Now I hate shorts with the short pockets, because then you put your phone in or whatever you use, and then shit always falling out your pocket. All right, over here on this rack, they got the burgundy or the maroon, whichever you want to call it, rack with the tops and the bottoms. Same printed on logo. Got the whole set here. I think these are all still $64.99. Oh, nah, these are $49.99 to be exact. And the top is $59.99. This is the printed on logo. All right, over here, see we got some fleece jackets. These are $69.99 for fleece, and these are 50% off. Nice weight to it. So we have this two-tone with this light sail cream color with the black on top, and then we have the olive in black. And you can see with the reflective logo. Damn, that's $69.99 at 50% off. We're about to come up and check out these socks over here. Socks are buy one get one 50% off. And today we got on feet 990 V4s. Great. The New Balance socks. The last time I was here, I was able to pick these up for $49.99. They had an additional 50% off promo. They didn't have my size in store, but they were able to order them for me. They put them up in the system and have them shipped to the house. So that's another thing. If anything you come to a New Balance outlet and they don't have in store, they'll be able to pull it up if they have them in the system still. If they still have sizes, they'll ship them right to you at the same promo. You don't have to worry about with no tax or no extra fees or anything, no shipping fees or anything. So it's free shipping, and the same price that you would have paid in store is the same price you would pay. All right, we're gonna take a quick look down sneaker aisle, starting in the bigger sizes. It's from size 13. And like I said earlier, got 50% off all yellow stickers. So all yellow sticker, all clearance. Additional 50% off the sticker price. First pair that kind of caught my eye is these 997s. It's brown and beige. This is what, size 12, and this is $59.99, and you get 50% off. So it's a $30 shoe, 30 bucks, a nice pair of New Balance. Can't beat that. Walk down a little bit, see if I see anything else. So 550s. I don't know. Let me see. Okay. Fresh foam, nice pair. Walkers or runners. These are $119. $119, 50% off. Okay, came across these. It say Stray Rats, $558. So this is some type of collab. I'm not sure who's the collaborator, but these go crazy. But these are $99, $99.99, 50% off. Some 580s. Let's say Stray Rat on the insole. One side says Stray, and the other one says Rat. I don't know any. Okay, Roll Bar. I'm not sure who the collaborator is. Roll Bar. Got a little on the lace tag. Got a rat here. It's a dope pair though. And it's a few pairs, and this is size 10.5. We got 1, 2, 3 of them here, and there's some more over here on this side. Oh, actually, this one looks like in a different colorway too. Yeah, and this one has 2 more laces, so this comes with 3 laces. It's another pair here. All right, I'm gonna have to do my research and look up and check out this collab. Same thing, 99 bucks. All right, over to a little bit smaller size. This is size 10s. Got a pair of 990s. And it's green, leather. It's a 990 V4. Made in USA, all leather. We got the extra pair of laces in here. We got another pair of laces in here. And the white, it's not, that's just the laces, it's not an extra pair. Thought it was an extra pair. These are $99 also. So that's 50 bucks for a pair of 990 V4s. Can't beat that. Like, that's a great deal. These same brown 997s, in the smaller size for $59.99 once again. I found these 580s in a different colorway down in size 8 for $99. Look like these I tried on a few times. I like this color. I should have these in a little bigger size. Well, this is a pair that I might have to check on. Love this colorway. These 580s are dope. And running, actually, buy one, get one 50% off. These are all buy one, get one 50% off. No yellow sticker promo on these. I like the color on these. Well, you know, the green got kind of like a gum bottom look to them. $79.99. These two. These look mad comfortable. These are so light of a shoe. I might have to try on a pair of these one of these days. Not today though. Coming out here, we got some more 997s and a few different other colorways. Got a black and gray, $89.99. seen these before. These two colors have been here for a while now too. $89.99. Buy one, get one 50% off. All right, this is the other section with some more socks. Buy one, get one 50% off. All right, we got some more. These are women's breakers, women's jackets. These are $69.99 also, 50% off. So it looks like all the jackets are around that same price, $69.99 with additional 50% off. This one also, this kind of, I don't even know what kind of material this is. I'm seeing this men's kind of fleece style, or corduroy kind of pattern on the jacket, on the front on the chest. This is $69.99. So, like I said, I'm back over here. I think I'm gonna go ahead and pick up this Crewneck while it's on sale, $64.99, additional 50% off. We got these more women's jackets here. See the price on these. Oh, these are $59.99. A nice fleece to the bottom, reflective. We got this white one here, a little puff kind of vibe, $79.99. Once again, 50% off. And we have this other color, khaki kind of color. Nice. It's a great prices. So like I said, winter jackets at 50% off, it's like $25, $30. Can't go wrong. We'll take a quick look down the kids' hash wall. Oh, these 550s in a little pink, peachy pink. These are super dope. Got the sail midsole. Yeah, these look real nice. These look real nice for the little girls. Oh, these too. Yeah, 515. Neon and pink. Nice. I'll take a look in the aisle, in the kids' aisle. See what they have. Oh, this a nice pink on pink. And these are buy one, get one 50% off. And the kids' aisle, $44.99. Preschool. Another nice pair. Little kids slip-ins. Oh, these look real nice. My daughter will love these because she loves her slip-ins. And these are super light. And they got the neon color too. $54.99. Buy one, get one 50% off. All right, I'm gonna explain to y'all in a minute. But
so what happened is this display wall doesn't exist anymore because unfortunately they experienced a snatch and grab. So this display wall with all the newer lifestyle models and also the table with the other lifestyle models that they had 50% off, I guess a group came in and snatched up a whole bunch of pairs. So the manager decided until further notice to not keep these shoes on display, but they do have them in stock. If you visit the store, you just have to ask the sales associate what particular new lifestyle models that they have, and they'll bring them out for you one by one. And that's what I had to do, and that's why you'll see in this video I have the boxes displayed the way I do.
They had to bring these out in the back for me. This is a pair 990 V6. These are 150, yellow sticker at 50% off. We're gonna check these out. Ooh, an olive colorway. Nice. Like I said, you know, you don't get these at this kind of price. These are 50% off. Made in USA, 990 V6. You see they have the olive laces in. We have the extra pair of laces on the side. All right, we got another pair of 990 V6 here. All gray. Gray on gray. Similar to the V4s that I have on. Once again, all 50% off. These are 169. I don't see a yellow sticker. I'm gonna ask the associate again if these are actually 50% off, but I'm not. And we have the black and gray 990 V6 also. Got an extra set of black laces in a box, so you can switch them out, either gray or the black. I actually got my father-in-law a pair of these. No, that was the navy. Yeah, the navy and gray. These same ones. But he said it's the best pair of sneakers he ever he ever wore. And these are 169 also. All right, so these two are no promo. These are just 169. But this one in the olive colorway, 149, 50% off. Then these are going home. Yeah. You can see, picking up a pair of 990 V6 and my Crewneck for a total of $115.54. All right, y'all. That's it for the New Balance outlet.